Hey, it's Jabin here from Postal Barbecue, and today I'm breaking into the Cooking Coppin' Babes channel to make you a delicious breakfast smash burger. It's gonna be amazing. Just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to the Cooking Coppin' Babe for more great barbecue recipes just like this one. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So as I said at the beginning of this episode, today I'm taking over the Cooking Coppin' Babes YouTube channel while they're dealing with some medical issues. And so today we're gonna be making a delicious breakfast smash burger using the Flattop Griddle. So what you're gonna need for this breakfast smash burger is about 4 to 5 ounces of breakfast sausage. I also have some leftover pulled pork from another cook. I have a couple slices of thinly sliced cheese and a couple eggs. I'll probably just use one on this burger today. And then we have some Postal Barbecue rub, some hot sauce, and then lastly a little bit of mayo to put on the bun just to bring it all together. And so with all of your ingredients prepped, let's go ahead and get this flat top ready for cooking. So our griddle has been preheating for about 5 minutes now, and when I do a temperature check on this griddle with my ThermoWorks infrared gun here, it's reading around 450, a little bit hotter in the center and a little bit cooler in this zone here. And this is where we're gonna be cooking. I did preheat this side, but then turned off that section just so we have a warming section to transfer food from the hot to the cool section, because we need to do this in an order so that we get it all done at the same time. So the first thing I'm gonna put down is a little bit of this bacon fat that I saved from a previous cook. And so the first thing I'm going to put on is my eggs. We want to get those cooking first of all, followed by the pulled pork. Then I'm gonna take this bowl, I'm just gonna cover these eggs. Next, I'll place on this pulled pork. Let's move that around. Guys, I'm telling you, this smells so good back here. I'm gonna also hit it with a little bit of my Postal Barbecue rub. And while those are cooking, I'm gonna place my bun on there just to toast the underside of that bun. Get it all in that bacon fat. There we go, our buns are toasted. Okay, so let's check on these eggs, see how they're coming along. These look done to me, so I'm gonna move those off to the cool side. Our pulled pork is also done, so I'm gonna move that to the side as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this bacon fat to the griddle. And then I'm gonna take my 4.5 ounce ball of sausage, place that on that griddle. Place some parchment paper over it, and I'm gonna smash it down. Pull that off. I'm also gonna season this sausage patty with some of that Postal Barbecue rub as well. Get some of that on there. It's just gonna add some extra flavor to this. It's gonna be so good. And so while this sausage burger is cooking, let's go ahead and put some of this mayo on our bun. We're gonna put a little bit on the bottom and a little bit on the top. And the reason we're using some mayo today is because when the mayo and the egg yolk meet together, it's gonna make like a type of hollandaise style sauce that's gonna go really great with this burger. So let's go ahead and flip this sausage burger. Ooh, look at that. Put some of our cheese on top of this. I'm gonna put that dome over that sausage patty, and it's only gonna take about a minute or so for that cheese to get melty and delicious. So let's take a look at it. Look at that. Guys, this sausage burger looks so good with that cheese just melted all over the top of it. And so let's move it off to the side. and we'll start building our burger. Okay, so to start, let's add on our sausage patty. Look at that. Then to that, we'll add on our pulled pork. Whew, oh, it smells so good. Then I'm gonna place that egg on top. I'm just using 1 egg today. And then on top of this egg, I'm gonna place a little bit of Ammo Box hot sauce, just to give a little bit of heat. I'm gonna crown it with this other bun. Wow, guys, look at this burger. There's nothing left to do but get ready for the taste test. Okay guys, I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna slice this in half and go for the taste test. Oh, look at that. Oh, you know this is gonna be good when you can see all of those layers just complementing each other. Oh guys, let's go for the taste test. There's almost no words to describe this. This is the perfect breakfast sandwich. You get that little bit of spice from that breakfast sausage, then that smokiness from that pulled pork. You also have that creaminess from that egg and mayo coming together really nicely. Guys, I'm telling you, if you've never had a breakfast smash burger like this before, make sure to try it out because you're missing out something in your life. This is so good. So that's how I make my version of an incredible breakfast smash burger on the griddle. Hey, if you want to see more great cooking videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to the Cooking Cup and Babe. Until next time, keep those coals lit and keep cooking.